Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn EVS chapter 8 Days to Celebrate. So, all of you, please open page number 49. Okay, try to read along with me. We all love celebrations. We have fun at functions like birthdays, weddings, anniversary. Look at the picture. What are these people celebrating? So you all can see this image in your book. Okay, what is happening in this image? Here, one girl is celebrating her birthday with her friends. ठीक है, इस इमेज में एक बच्ची अपना बर्थडे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मना रही है. So same like birthdays, beta, there are many functions in our family which we love to celebrate with our friends, our family friends, okay? In these celebrations, many people gather together, they eat together, they have fun together, and they enjoy the day. जो सेलिब्रेशंस होते हैं बेटा, उसमें बहुत सारे लोग साथ में मिलते हैं, खाते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, है ना? सो वी ऑल लव सेलिब्रेशंस एंड वी लव टू सेलिब्रेट द डेज. But these days we celebrate only with our friends and with our family people. But there are some days which we like to celebrate with everyone. We greet everyone. Means we celebrate these days with our community people. All people belonging to the same community celebrate this day. Okay, let's read about these days. Okay, now let's read further. We also celebrate festivals. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, etc. are religious festivals. Festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. Now, my dear children, I hope you all like celebrating Eid, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, etc. So, in these festivals, all the peoples which are from one religion, like all Hindus love to celebrate Diwali and Holi. Muslim peoples love to celebrating Eid. ठीक है, Christians celebrate Christmas. So these festivals are known as religious festivals. ठीक है, फेस्टिवल्स जैसे कि दिवाली हो गए, होली हो गया, ठीक है, इसे सारे हिंदू लोग मिलके मनाते हैं. ईद जो हो गया सारे मुस्लिम्स मिलके मनाते हैं. क्रिसमस सारे क्रिश्चियंस मिलके मनाते हैं. तो ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स बेटा जिसे हम अपने रिलीजन वालों के साथ मिलके मनाते हैं, जिसे सेम रिलीजन वाले साथ में मनाते हैं, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल. और ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स जिसे पूरा देश मिलके बनाता है. ओके, फेस्टिवल्स which are celebrated everywhere and each and everyone in the country celebrates the day. These days are known as national festivals. Okay, a whole nation celebrates that day, like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, we have different functions, we have डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ इन आर स्कूल. ठीक है, जैसे कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे हो गया बेटा, रिपब्लिक डे हो गया, गांधी जयंती हो गया, ये पूरा देश मिलके बनाता है ना? और स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज़ होती है, फंक्शंस होते हैं. सो ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स. ओके, वेयर कंप्लीट नेशन celebrates the day. Let's read further. Okay. So we'll take page number 50 now. Okay. Let's read. National festivals. Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. On this day in the year 1947, our country India became free and an independent country. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. He addresses the nation and gives a message to the people. So my dear students, here now we celebrate the days, but there are reasons behind why we celebrate that day. ठीक है, हम जितने सेलिब्रेशंस करते हैं बेटा, चाहे वो किसी फेस्टिवल के लिए हो या कोई भी ओकेशन के लिए हो, उसके पीछे एक रीज़न रहता है. In the same way, the reason we celebrate national festivals, we have a history behind it. ठीक है? Because of which we celebrate that day. ठीक है, उसी तरह बेटा जो हम नेशनल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं उसके पीछे भी एक हिस्ट्री रहती है जिसके कारण हम उस दिन को क्या करते हैं, सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ओके, सो इन दैट लेट्स फर्स्ट learn about Independence Day. Okay, every year 15th of August we celebrate our Independence Day. ठीक है, हर साल 15 अगस्त को हम अपना क्या बनाते हैं, स्वतंत्रता दिवस. Okay, and in the year 1947 means many years before, this day we got independence. Okay, this day India became free from the British rule and it became an independent country. ठीक है, सालों पहले इस दिन जो इंडिया है बेटा वो क्या हुआ था, फ्री हुआ था ब्रिटिश रूल से और एक इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री बन गया था. ओके, इंडिपेंडेंट मीन्स वन हु इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन. ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट मतलब होता है ऐसा जो किसी पे निर्भर ना हो, किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो. So my dear students, on this day our Prime Minister hoists the flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, इस दिन हमारे Prime Minister Red Fort पे झंडा फहराते हैं. ठीक है, in school also we do now. He addresses the nation, gives the message to the people. Okay, he speaks with the people, he gives messages to the people on this day. Who? Prime Minister. Okay, same as Independence Day, we have two more national festivals. Read about it. First, Republic Day. Okay, we have read about Independence Day. Now, Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. On this day, in the year 1950, India became a republic. It means that the country got a constitution, a set of rules for smooth running of the country. A national flag is hosted at all public places, offices, schools on this day. A parade is held in Delhi at Rajpath. The president of our country takes the salute. Now beta, our second national festival is Republic Day. Okay, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Okay, जो हमारा दूसरा नेशनल फेस्टिवल है बेटा वो है रिपब्लिक डे, जिसे हम कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? 26 जनवरी को. ओके. First time we started celebrating Republic Day on when? In the year 1950. पहली बार हमने 1950 से Republic Day celebrate करना start किया. क्यों? Because in the year 1950 means 26 January 1950 India became Republic. Okay? Means our country got its own constitution. ठीक है. 26 जनवरी 1950 को बेटा हमारा जो कंट्री है वो क्या हो गया? रिपब्लिक हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि उस दिन हमारे देश का खुद का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना, संविधान बना. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मीन्स वी गॉट आवर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस टू रन आवर कंट्री. मीन्स वी हैव मेड, आवर लीडर्स हैव मेड rules, set of rules to run the country smoothly. Okay, whatever laws, rules we are having, that day it came into existence. उस दिन से वो लागू हुए. Okay, on this day beta at Rajpath there is a parade and our president takes the salute. Okay. And in every officers' schools we celebrate this day. Read this chapter again at home and we'll continue learning this chapter. Okay? God bless you all. Take care. See you soon.